So the last thing we'll do is just to mount it on our notebook, and for that we'll need some contact glue. I just prefer using contact because it sticks metal onto every single surface, and even though this is just cardboard, I still like it to have a really good fix. And we don't need heaps of glue, but just make sure you cover everything, the whole surface, and especially close to the edges because we don't want them to lift. And so just like that, just a tiny amount all the way around, just to ensure that it sits properly. Okay. So just hold it down for a second or two. Press down where you see any corners lifting. Just hold it down for about a minute, and voila, we're done.